bearded brothers? Welcome back to another episode in the Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I want to do a short, quick topic about beard growth and beard influencers like you. Now, I bring up the subject of influencers, not about me, not about Dan C and other YouTubers, but I want to talk about a personal note about beard growers like you that influence the community, our friends, our family, our coworkers, anybody that sees us growing out the beard, sharing the knowledge and sharing the absolute positivity of growing out the beard and having a great new look to your style. I bring up the subject because of the haters. Dan C actually did a video about this, and yes, I do piggyback on some of his topics just because him and I kind of go back and forth. Dan C and I come from the same cloth when it comes to look, style, motivation, positivity, and that's what it's all about. Because time and time again, I love getting the hate comments. I love getting how well kept my beard is, why I spend too much time combing and putting product in. Because for me, that's what I like as a look. I think I've done accomplishment when it comes to succeeding in beard growth, mustache growth, and time again, you get the haters. And you're gonna get people that are like, your beard's too long, you need to cut it, it doesn't, this and that. And that's gonna happen, but at the end of the day, it's your look, it's your style. And time again, and that's why I'm bringing up this rambling subject, is that I have never had a fellow friend, a family member that grows out their beard and has not had success. Growing out your beard is something fun to do, especially in the time like this, to succeed and to have that big old beard. People are gonna get jealous and they're gonna get envious, and that's what it is at the end of the day. People are jealous, people are gonna knock off success, and that's what happened time and time again. People hate seeing people succeed because they can't do it or they can't seem to try to do it. And for someone like other influencers, YouTubers that are able to go above and beyond, you can't hate on them. You got to support the people that are doing good, because that gives me motivation, that gives me things to do and look forward to, and things that I have holes in my game, that I need to focus on and actually do better at. And for me, that shows, people of positivity versus negativity. I bring this up because the other day I did a video about the uneven beard. I'm getting past that awkward stage. My mustache is getting to that epicness that I want. And I want to let you guys know that through the trials and tribulations, there's always success. So there's going to be down times like me with that awkward beard. You're going to get some negative feedback. But in the end of the day, it's all about you. It's all about what you want to do to your beard and how you want to style it. So don't take anybody's crap. Don't take anybody's hearsay or naysay. It's all about what you want to look like and what you want to do. So if it's going out for that Viking look, if you want to have that painter's goatee, go for it. Don't let anybody stop you for what you want to do. So I just want to bring a quick video for you guys that might get a little bit of feedback from, the family members, the friends, some negativity. It's going to happen, but at the end of the day, it's all about you, the influencer, because like I said, time and time again, friends, family, coworkers, when they grow out their beard, they're never unsatisfied. Especially using those products and tools, you bring out the glorious beard that we all want. And once again, it happens time and time again. So I love you guys. Keep growing, stay strong, follow me on that crap. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya.